Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and shop with Target clearance and save a lot of money? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and simply go ahead and search for Target. So let me just go ahead and do that. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead into the website, or you could also just search for Target clearance. As you can see, when you search for Target clearance, this is going to be the link that is going to pop up. Save on thousands of clearance items. Simply go ahead and click on that, and now you're going to be taken to this page right over here, right? And as you can see on this page, what you can do is you can see there are a couple of categories that you can shop through. So there's beauty and personal care clearance, baby clothing clearance, clothing and accessories clearance. Just simply go ahead and click on anything that you want and simply go ahead and you can browse it through here. As you can see, you can save a lot of money when it comes to purchasing a lot of these things. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.